Nation Pelicans, and here they come! Also from Africa, we have the beautiful ladies in pink with their long and sexy legs, the supermodels of the wild. Let's give it up for all the greater flamingos! Last but not least, we're talking South America, coming from up there and there. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen, our grand finale of birds. Let's all give them a nice round of applause. And with that, we've come to the end of High Flyers. You're more than welcome to come on down here and take pictures of these beautiful birds as our trainers usher them back home. In a short while, we are inviting you to be on stage to take pictures with another group of flamingos for free using your cameras, so do stay on to that.